Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to make your iPhone screen go black, and by black I mean go completely black once you lock the phone. So let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you have to do is to open the settings. So head over to your settings app and then scroll down a bit until you find the display and brightness option. It should be under general and control center. So once you click on display and brightness, you will find yourself on this page. So scroll down a bit until you find the always on display option. And here, as you can read, always on display dims the lock screen while keeping information like time, widgets, and notifications visible using minimal power. So you have to click on always on display. It should be turned on for you. And here you will find the option to turn it off. Here it is green because it's turned on. So just click on it and then it will be gray, and it means that it's turned off. So here you have another trick that you can do to make your screen show less notifications or show less informations. You can choose to show notifications, you can choose to show the wallpaper or not, and you can even choose to change the date and the hour if you want to, or just make them disappear on your lock screen. That's up to you. And yeah, that's it. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you. And if you have any more questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.